Would you camp overnight for skincare? Well, that's exactly what's happening here behind me at Kit's Beach. Some fans spent the entire night waiting for the Rhode Beauty pop-up, and I'm here to see what the buzz is all about. What time did you get here?
8:30 p.m.
12 a.m. I got here around 8:40 p.m. the night before.
I got here just a little bit before 6.
In the morning.
In the morning, yeah.
Oh, we came at 5:30 like last evening, yeah, so like.
What is the main thing that you're trying to get here?
The hoodie.
The hoodie, I've already secured my token for a hoodie.
What's so special about this hoodie? What does it look like?
To lay it all out, there isn't really anything about this hoodie that makes it so insane compared to any other hoodie that you can get in a store, but I just feel like there's like a little bit of like a hype and a demand.
Is also in collaboration with Justin Bieber's brand Skylark, and you know, it's they personalize each hoodie for each city that the pop-up goes to, so I just really want this Vancouver hoodie.
I didn't get a token. I don't think I am willing to spend $150.
I've had like 5 people come up to me and ask like, hey, what's this line for? And they just didn't seem to get the hype when I told them about it, but you know, they're just not the target audience. Like, we have like 400 plus people here waiting for it, so.
I just like love her so much. I feel like her brand is really authentic, and I love her husband as well.
I love Hailey Bieber. I'm a Hailey Bieber stan.
Bye!
Get the hoodie.
Yeah, I have the ticket for it. I'm getting the hoodie.